How to fix Minecraft exit code 1 on Windows. 1. Repair the Xbox app. 2. Update the graphics driver. Using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Disable or remove mods. You may also check percent of data percent backslash dot minecraft backslash log backslash latest dot text. 4. Modify the Minecraft launcher path. Add work dir percent program data percent dot minecraft into minecraft.exe. Properties. 5. Uninstalled and reinstalled. Java for Windows. 6. Uninstall and reinstall Minecraft.